Casa Solar, a 250 square meters architectural masterpiece set within the breathtaking landscape of Villa Parque Siquiman, is more than just a home. It is a philosophical exploration of the void. By shifting focus from the solid, physical forms of architecture to the spaces left behind, Casa Solar challenges conventional notions of design. In this unique structure, absence takes on a central role, not as a deficit but as a canvas for human presence and interaction. The house invites its inhabitants to complete the spaces with their own presence, making the void as meaningful as the solid forms that define it. The project begins with a deep understanding of its natural surroundings. Situated on a plot of 1850 square meters, the land features a 10-meter deep natural ravine, a vital part of the local ecosystem. This ravine serves as a drainage channel, guiding rainwater from the surrounding area to Lake San Roque. The rocky terrain, interspersed with bushes and mountain forests, absorbs some of this water, creating a dynamic landscape that is constantly interacting with the elements. From the street, the views of the lake are expansive, shifting with the light and seasons, offering a continuous dialogue between the house and its environment. In an era where urban expansion threatens natural landscapes, Casa Solar represents a thoughtful response to the tension between architecture and nature. The design process was guided by the principles of sustainability, with the goal of creating a low-impact structure that harmonizes with its surroundings. The project adheres to LEED v4 certification criteria, ensuring that the house interacts with its natural environment in a way that highlights and respects local resources. This sensitivity to the site's natural assets is evident in every decision, from the choice of materials to the placement of the house within the ravine. The house itself is a study in contrasts. Positioned deep within the ravine, it uses the natural cavity to anchor itself, reducing its visual impact from the street and providing protection from the elements. The humidity within the ravine serves as a natural temperature buffer, while the surrounding vegetation acts as a double facade, shielding the house from the harsh sun and wind. This interplay of light and shadow, combined with the controlled use of solar energy through a mobile roof, creates a living space that is both dynamic and deeply connected to its environment. Structurally, Casa Solar is a floating, inclined box, a steel profile structure that leans towards the lake, seemingly suspended in the air. The house extends 12 meters by 9 meters in plan, with a height of 6 meters, containing both social and rest areas. The steel box allows for a 3-meter cantilever over the park, making the house appear as if it's levitating when viewed from below. Its columns rest on existing rocks and reinforced concrete partitions, which form a transitional basement housing the swimming pools and technical areas. This design not only minimizes the house's footprint, but also integrates it seamlessly into the landscape. Entry into the house is a journey in itself. From the street level, one descends 3 meters to an intermediate access level, where a viewpoint/esplanade offers a moment of reflection before entering the home. The contrast between the blind, austere south facade, and the fluid, luminous interior is striking. Once inside, the L-shaped layout surrounds an empty, semi-covered space with a mobile roof. This central void is more than just a design feature. It is a space of possibility, a blank canvas that interacts with the surrounding landscape, inviting the natural world into the home. The heart of Casa Solar is this empty space, measuring 4.50 m x 9.00 m. This void, through its absence, creates a dialogue between architecture and nature, reflecting the changing relationship between the two in contemporary design. The void controls sunlight, climate, and spatial conditions within the house, making it a space that evolves with time and human interaction. The motorized roof cover further enhances this dynamic, adjusting to solar radiation to create comfortable interior conditions throughout the year, whether by welcoming winter sunshine or filtering out the harsh summer rays. Water, a precious resource in this region, is another key consideration in Casa Solar's design. The house is elevated above the ground, allowing rainwater to flow freely into the ravine, nourishing the vegetation below. Rainwater is also collected from the sloping roof to fill the swimming pools, which serve dual purposes. They provide humidity and warmth in winter and cooling in summer, all while offering a shaded swimming experience. Gray water is treated and reused for irrigation, ensuring that the house not only minimizes its environmental impact but also actively contributes to the sustainability of the local ecosystem. Material choices for Casa Solar reflect a commitment to simplicity and sustainability. Locally produced, low-cost materials were selected for their ease of transport, lightweight, and assembly. The exterior, facing the street, presents a blind, introverted facade, clad in fiber cement plates resembling dark wood. This choice helps the house blend with the surrounding forest, while the satin finish reduces its visual impact. Inside, the use of tongue-and-groove Eliotis pine wood adds warmth and texture, framing the exposed steel structure, which was constructed from reused demolition steel profiles. In the end, Casa Solar is more than just a home. It is a statement about the future of architecture. By focusing on the void, on what is not there, the house challenges its inhabitants and visitors to engage with the space in a new way. It is an evolving structure, one that changes with the seasons, the time of day, and the people who live within it. Through its thoughtful design, Casa Solar offers a glimpse into a future where architecture and nature coexist in harmony, where absence gives meaning to presence, and where the spaces left behind are just as important as those that are filled.